In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements forward or backward in Canva. If you've ever added text, shapes, photos or graphics to a Canva design and noticed that one item is blocking another, this is the tool you need. Canva makes it very easy to control which elements appear in front and which ones sit behind. And once you know where to find this option, you can create much cleaner and more professional looking designs. To get started, open your existing design in Canva or create a new one if you want to practice from scratch. This works the same way in most Canva projects, whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, thumbnail, flyer, or something else. Once your design is open, click on the element you want to adjust. This could be a graphic, an image, a shape, or even a text box. Just make sure the item you want to move is selected before going to the next step. When it's selected, you'll usually see a border around it, which confirms that Canva is ready for you to edit that specific object. Now, look for the position option in the toolbar and click on it. This is where Canva gives you layering controls, which simply means you can choose how your selected item is arranged in relation to the other elements on the page. After you open Position, choose the arrangement you want. You can move the selected item forward, send it to the front, move it backward, or send it all the way to the back. Forward and backward usually move the item one layer at a time, while to front and to back place it at the very top or very bottom of the stack. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple overlapping elements and want precise control over how everything appears. In this example, I'm going to place the text behind the object, so I'll choose the option that sends the text backward until it sits behind the graphic the way I want it to. This is a great technique for creating depth and making your designs feel more dynamic. And tada, that's it. Your element is now arranged exactly where you want it. If it doesn't look perfect right away, you can always click Position again and test a different arrangement until everything lines up nicely. Once you get used to this feature, it becomes one of the fastest ways to improve the layout of your Canva designs.